Hey guys, so today's Get Ready With Me is a quick and easy, affordable drugstore makeup look that will last you all day. All of these products will stay glued to your face, so yeah, let's jump into it. I'm starting out with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. You guys know that I have loved and adored this one for a very, very long time. If you are more of a drier skin type, you could probably try another primer that's sort of targeted more towards hydrating the skin. And then the foundation that I'm using is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. Honestly, in my opinion, this is probably the best affordable drugstore foundation as far as longevity goes. It works on any skin type and it is like glue. It will not come off during the day. For my brows, I'm using the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. This is a really amazing, long-lasting brow powder that I find lasts really well throughout the day and doesn't rub off, doesn't sweat off, and doesn't kind of, transfer off if you do get oily. I'm just applying it with a small angled brush, and then I'm going to lock everything into place with this L'Oreal Brow Sculpt gel stuff. It's got a funny little applicator, doesn't it? You can actually use the tip of that applicator to darken up some areas of your brows if you want. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be priming my eyes using this Maybelline Superstay Concealer, and I'm going to be pressing that product into my lids using a damp Beauty Blender sponge. Love this concealer. It lasts so well and it doesn't crease. And then with the Coty Air Spun, this is like a loose translucent setting powder, I'm actually going to be baking my eyelids. Baking your eyelids prior to applying eyeshadow is absolutely the best way to get your eyeshadow to last all day and to stop it from transferring and creasing and your lids getting oily. For my eyes, I'm just using the Morphe 3502 because it's warm tone and I'm a warm tone lover. I'm essentially only using two eyeshadows from this palette, a medium brown matte color through the crease. I'm just packing that one on, building up the color and buffing out the edges, and then I'm going to go in with a shimmery color as well, just all over the lid. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. You can use whatever palette that you've got, but this was in front of me and it is reasonably affordable, for the amount of product that you do kind of get. So yeah, here you can see I'm just packing that bronzy kind of color onto my lid, just using my fingers. It's quick, it's simple. Shimmers are really great to apply with your fingers. It's easy to buff out the edges. It's just an awesome way to do it. Now I'm taking this Rimmel, I think this is their Rimmel Kate Highlighting Contouring Kit. I'll have all the products linked down below, but I'm taking that highlighter shade from that palette. I'm applying that to the inner corners of my eyes to brighten them and also to my brow bones to kind of lift and brighten up the face. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. You guys have been seeing this in pretty much every single video. I'm obsessed with it. It lasts all day, it doesn't crack, and it doesn't smudge and transfer. It's a really amazing product for all day makeup wear. Then going in and applying some mascara. I'm using this one by L'Oreal. I'm testing it. So far so good. No smudging, no transferring. I do need to wear it to the gym still to give my final thoughts. And then for lashes, I'm taking the Nikkiajoy Cosmetics Petite Set. This is a 5 lash multi-pack that is geared towards smaller eye shapes. All of the lashes in this one are really lightweight and much smaller and just sort of comfortable and easy to wear. I always apply my lashes with tweezers. It makes it so much quicker and easier. I do have a video coming all about eyelash hacks and the best ways to apply them, so keep your eyes open for that one. Going back in with that same Maybelline concealer, I'm going to be using this underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my nose and on my forehead, and then buffing it all in with a sponge. Like I said earlier, this concealer is honestly like, it will last a hurricane. Like, it is crazy. It's amazing. The staying power is amazing. And yeah, I think I said earlier that it doesn't crease. It honestly will not crease. It's gorgeous. I'm then going back in with that same Coty Air Spun powder that we used to set the eyelids, and I'm pushing that into the foundation and concealer all over my face to set it down. The Coty Air Spun powder is honestly like $6. It's cheap and it does an amazing job at keeping makeup in place all day long. Back into the Rimmel Contour Kit, using that bronzy middle contour shade to contour my cheeks, and then the blush shade on the apples of my cheeks, and then following up with the highlighter. I have been using this product for a very, very long time. I love the formula. They're buttery, they're pigmented, they're easy to blend, and they really do last a long time on the skin, so it's an amazing option. And then finally, locking the makeup into place using the GERARD Cosmetics Rose Setting Spray. This thing is absolutely the best setting spray on the market for keeping your makeup in place. I promise you, no word of a lie. Just try it and you'll know what I mean. I do not put my name on things that don't work. Then finally, to get my lipstick to last all day, I'm applying this Rimmel lip liner and coloring in my lips to do it to create a base, then going over the top with a matte lipstick. This is the best way ever to get your lipstick to last all day. So there you have it, guys. A really quick and simple, affordable makeup look that's going to last you all day long. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you do have any video requests, please pop them down below. You guys were all requesting this look, so yeah, let me know in the comments. I love you guys. Bye! Bye!